Hi guys, so this is the E36 M3 two-door that we're busy restoring. So the body is currently now at the body shop. The strip down is done. There's still more to come out of the vehicle. As you can see here, she is getting ready to be painted, but there's still a lot of body work to be done on the car. So I'm going to interview Lorenzo here today. He's actually the painter, and he's going to take us through the car. Lorenzo, how's it? Okay, so Lorenzo, quickly, what have you picked up on the vehicle that still has to be done, or is there anything hectic here that has to be done, or is it a straight paint out?
It's not hectic work, it's just I've got to strip all the other clips out. There's still a lot of clips and grommets and all that.
Sure.
Strip that down, bit of panel beating on the floors.
Okay.
Replacing all the sealer, stone chip underneath. Everything, we're not going to go right to the inside, just to the doors, obvious.
Okay.
But otherwise this body is still good.
Okay, so the car is going to go into the rotisserie on Monday.
Yes.
And from the rotisserie, we're basically going to swing it around, and we're going to do the stone chop at the bottom.
That's correct.
And we're going to go with the same L-rod red at the bottom, right?
That's it.
Okay. The doors, this is how far we get into with regards to painting. We don't just paint the surface of it and mask everywhere else. The door actually gets stripped up to the core completely. Lorenzo will then have it hung up. I'm just going to swing over here. Hung up, and then they'll get all painted individually, and then am I right by saying that they get assembled and then you do a final coat over it, just so we get blending in properly. So there's a lot of parts that's still going to get stripped off this vehicle. So this year, okay, Lorenzo, this year we'll come back to our shop here. So all the pipes still have to come off.
I'm going to remove all the pipes, that will go back to Sanjay for replacing. All the little grommets like these.
Yeah.
Everything will be out. Everything will be replaced.
Okay, so that's still gonna come to me basically, right?
That's correct.
So that's either replaced or we'll restore it, and there'll be future videos on that in different episodes. So you can see here the base is quite clean. It's quite a good structure to start off. Look, the E36s, that especially the two doors, are known to be either raced or the guys have spun it, and we're trying to revive them and get them back to life. So it is a lot of work. When we say a restoration is getting done on a vehicle, okay, this is not primer that we've put on. This is a previous guy's primer that's still gonna get stripped off. We've got to take the vehicles basically back to metal as far as possible and start from there again. So this car, we didn't choose for a full paint strip because we're trying to keep the original insulation that's in the car, because of it being scarce to get. It's hard to actually take off and put on, and this is still in good condition. So we don't actually want to waste money and throw money away. Wherever we can, we will. On this vehicle here, in the later episodes, you'll see that we're actually going to sound deaden a little bit more. Even though the E36 carpet is quite thick, we're actually looking at a different rubberizer for the bottom, just to keep the road noise out and keep the car quiet as well. But I will update you. You'll actually see that there's more episodes to come of it. This is actually episode 1. Paul, Lorenzo, and the other guys will also be in the episodes, just to try and help you guys and show you guys what we do, how we do things. And yeah, let's take it from there.